Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have a tech tip for my iPhone users out there. So something that can be really handy is pinning messages. So if you have a group message with several people and you want to be able to quickly find that group message, you can actually pin the messages to the top of where you open your messages. So instead of scrolling through all the different messages you have, it'll be right there at the top pinned. So to do this, you're just going to simply click on the Messages app, and then you're going to click and hold down on the group message or the specific contact you want to pin, and it'll pop up with some options, and you just select pin, and then it'll be right there at the top for you every time you open your Messages app. I hope this tech tip is super helpful. Wanted to include my iPhone users. I know I do a lot of Windows tips, so hopefully this makes you guys happy. Have a great week, everyone, and as always, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.